guys, what up? It's Lizzie. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Labor Day and my room is a mess behind me, so just don't look at that. Today's outfit, and I just put a little claw clip in. We are returning this model and getting the other one. Brian is working on calibrating the breville machine so that it's perfect every time. It's definitely a process. Like, it's not for the weak-hearted. You have to try like a couple different like ground sizes and stuff like that. And I think we're gonna go to the pool pretty soon. So yay, pool. The aftermath. Life's like a paper plane, don't steer the way. You don't know my fun, it's off to work. You need to earn a dime to have any work, but I don't play that. Just got back from the pool and I did not get a lot of footage. It's only 2:30 today, but I don't know really what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, so I might turn this into like a weekly vlog. Tomorrow I have to go back to work, but I will take you guys along with the next couple of days.
I did, but you don't want me.
Hi.
Are your cookies done?
Is it working? Yeah. It's super easy actually, like. Do you want to... Hey guys, good morning. It is Tuesday, the Tuesday after Labor Day, so it's kind of like Monday, time to get back to work. I'm on coffee number 2. It is so good. I love that new coffee maker. This is like the best coffee
better than Starbucks. I'm gonna save a lot of money and just make coffee here every single day because this is delicious. Little update. I'm about to start my work day. I still have like my skincare stuff on. Not a heavy meeting day, so we're going comfy. I actually don't have any meetings at all. It's gonna be a big candidate sourcing day. Probably just gonna continue this vlog, but it's not gonna be necessarily like a work day in my life. But I will take you guys along if I do anything interesting. Got up at 5:45 this morning and actually didn't really feel very good. So I'm hoping that this second coffee kind of kicks things into gear for me. But yeah, let's get to work. It is about 8:25, so I'm gonna hop on the desk right now. We working though. We working hard and grinding. Woo! I'm tired though. Poured a little bit of juice, and this is the first time I've tried it and it's so good. I could have added a lot more ginger in here, so next time I'm definitely gonna add a lot more ginger because I really like the ginger spicy throat feeling, but it's like mid-morning, so I'm kind of just taking a little juice break. Usually I have breakfast like oatmeal, but I'm just not really feeling it right now. So I'll probably have lunch in about an hour. That's the update, nothing crazy. All right, it is lunchtime and I'm about to romanticize these leftovers that I literally ate yesterday too, but it is so good. All right, so I'm having the same thing I had yesterday. So it's just carrots, tofu, noodles, and some green onions. And then I made this peanut sauce. It was supposed to be spring rolls, but the store didn't have rice paper. So this is lunch. I made way too much sauce by accident, but it's fine. This actually tastes really good and is not that hard to make. So I probably will make it again. Work is over. And we are gonna actually go to a restaurant tonight. Brian's mom is in town, so we're gonna go to this new place in Boulder that I've never been, so I will take you guys along. I'm not really gonna dress up. I'm just gonna wear what I was wearing. So it's not gonna be like cute.
I have a friend at work who also, you only have to do it once depending on if you... Ready? Yes.
This is the outfit that I landed on. Hey guys, happy Wednesday. It's another day. I slept in a little bit this morning and I'm kind of taking like a little mid-morning break from work. I am gonna get some juice. So let's get some juice. I had meetings all morning, so I need a little breather.
Economic issue that could then trickle down to
Alrighty, it is a little bit later now. Workday is starting to come to a close. I have to finish up a couple more things, but I'm just standing up from my desk taking a pretty good day so far. Don't know what I'm gonna be getting into tonight. It's just a work week, so it's been pretty chill. But I will update you guys when I start doing the next thing. I'm actually going to Montana in a couple of days, so this vlog should be out before that one, but I think I'm gonna do like kind of an artsy, fun, probably pretty short Montana vlog that might not really be like me talking very much, but today has gone by really fast. So I just went to the pool very briefly and now I want to go to the gym. So I'm gonna head out. This is the fit. Amazon, Nike, and I need to actually clip my hair back a little bit better, but I think I'm gonna do like a full body day. Let's hit the gym before I lose this very slim motivation because it is dwindling as we speak. My headphones just died, so do I go home now or kind of want to go home now? Had a good workout, really, really good. And now I'm gonna shower because I'm sweaty. These lines, it's kind of trippy if you go in and out. Anyways, shower time.
3, 2, 1. Arguing